morning all. We are gathered here to discuss the case study topic on 6th generation wireless networks. 6th generation wireless networks are the latest upcoming technology following 5G, and they are expected to be in 2030s, and will provide the number of benefits including faster speeds and higher connectivity, low latency, and also improved services. Now we will discuss the topic and we conclude everything.
Hello all. So today we have a case study topic, that is 6G networks. So in today's existing world, there are networks up to 5th generations, and each network is advanced than the prior network. So there are certain advancement in each generation. So today we have 5G, and currently they are working on 6G, and it will be available by 2030s. And the difference between the 5G and 6G network is there are many advancements, especially in speed terms. It is very fast compared to 5G networks. We already know 5G itself is very fast, but 6G will be even more faster, and there will be lower latency, and the connectivity among devices also will be more. We know that already in 5th generation is typically based on Internet of Things only. Even 6G will be based on Internet of Things, but it will be more advanced. So it will help us to create a better interconnected, intelligent world. Now Nivetha will tell us about the architecture.
I'm going to talk about the architecture of 6G network. It mainly focuses on high speed and low latency and massive connections of networks. Its key features includes artificial intelligence, edge computing, and massive mission type communications and ultra reliable low latency communications. Its design principles involves mobility, security, scalability, and flexibility. And in the design architecture, it used to overcome the current network shortages and improve the speeds and its performance.
Now I am going to say about difference between 5G and 6G. 5G has a theoretical speed of 20 gigabytes per second, and 6G has 1 terabyte per second, and it has a latency of 1 to 5 milliseconds, and 6G has a lower latency, and the frequency has higher frequency, and 5G has lower latency. Capacity, it has a expected capacity is increased, and the technology of 6G is expected to use in AML, artificial intelligence, and machine learning.
I'm going to talk about who are working on 6G. Many organizations and university are actively researching about 6G technologies. University of Eviro presented a paper on the topic of why 6G in 2019. Samsung started 6G research on June 2019. SK Telecom partnered with Samsung and Nokia for 6G research, and Google and Apple joined to improve 6G in North America.
So let me conclude everybody's point. So 6G network is seen as the future of wireless technology. It is still in research phase, but the goal is to the 6G network's goal is to transition to new wireless era of having a drive technology. So the expected benefits of 6G technology are enhanced speed, increased connectivity and reliability, hyper-connected networks, and improved remote work and collaboration. The impacts of 6G network are transforming industries and enabling a post-COVID hyper-connected world.
Dear students, today we will discuss well about the 6G networks. So everybody started well, and you discussed very important points, and you have discussed about the 6G network, who are working on, the companies, which companies are working on about 6G networks, and how it will be available in 2030, and what are its benefits, and how the services provided by 6G networks. And you have also discussed the various parameters like speed of 6G and latency, call latency of 6G, how the connectivity will be, and we have discussed so many important points, and also discussed the difference between 5G and 6G networks, how the 6G is superior than 5G we discussed, and it is really beneficial to everyone and helpful you have touched the latest point on edge communication and also the artificial intelligence, machine learning, how it will be impact on 6G networks. And thank you so much for your participation. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.